What's good, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on? This is Eddie Harvey. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. All right, guys, so it is midweek. It's Wednesday where I do my analysis video for you guys, just to try to drop a little value here. Excuse me. So, guys, today's pair, we're going to be looking at EURJPY, which is the euro versus the Japanese yen. Now, guys, as of late, you know, I've really been enjoying this pair, and today's analysis is going to be breaking down, you know, what's going on with EJ, and I ended up taking this trade, and I'll share with you guys exactly what happened. I took this earlier today, and it has played out to me prior to me making this video, and I'll also say Happy New Year to you guys. This is my first video of the new year when it comes to doing my analysis. So let's look at EJ, guys. And the one thing we want to talk about really quickly, they always talk about, is look to the left. Okay, so looking to the left here, guys, looking at what EJ has done in the past, as you can see right here, it's definitely in an uptrend. And if you look right here, look at it. It's, as I go to the left, it was clearly steady trending up, man. So if you look here, going all the way back, where it broke out of consolidation, it went up, and then it came down, and it was in a downtrend for a couple of days, and it hit a low right here on December 17th. Okay, so it hit a low of 127.535, somewhere like that. So 127.53. So after that, guys, the following days, it definitely started trending up. You can see it started making some higher highs and higher lows. You know, started making some higher highs and some higher lows. So if you look here, you got the higher highs here and the higher lows here. Then it came up, higher high, higher low. And what it's doing is it's going up, it's pulling back, right? So it's going up, went up right here, pulled back a little bit, went up. Same thing again. Even if you take it from here, went up, pulled back, went up. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let me go back. Okay. So there we go. Trying to pull the screen down. As you can see, it kept doing the same thing. Okay. So it was pull up. Then we hit a consolidation zone here, right? And it dropped down. Then after that, it went up a little bit. Another consolidation zone. Still creating these higher highs and these higher lows. And again, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So obviously within these areas, guys, depending on your strategy, you can definitely find areas of where you can get in. Because I did take EJ like a week or so ago. I took a trade on EJ, so I can't remember where I got in on some point in here. And depending on your trading strategy, right? If you're scalping or if you're an intraday trader, you know, you can definitely get in and out, where along this way you're able to take some buys and you're able to take some sales. Okay, so it's definitely continuing up. Came right here again out of this consolidation zone. Boom, it dropped down. Then a nice consolidation zone right here. It broke out from out of here, right? Went up, hit another consolidation zone. Then broke up out of here, went up a little bit more. And this is just a pullback. This is not a downtrend. So in order for you to get a downtrend, guys, like if you look right here at this area right here where it went up and then it dropped, well, for it to be a downtrend, right, for it to reverse, it would have had to break this level right here, this low. So if it would have broke this low, right, if it would have broke this low right here, this area, and it tried to, right, it came here and tested this level, which is a strong consolidation level, because you see right here in the past, right, you had some back and forth, and then it did eventually, when it came back over here, it retested this level right here once, okay, another area, retested it right there twice, then right here a third time, and after this, took off and went up. Okay. And so continue up. So here we are since the 17th. It's still going up, guys, into the new year. And here we are right now, where off of this, it just shot up and then came back down right in this area. And this is where it leads us to today. So now we have the consolidation zone right here. Okay, guys. So for me personally, what I did, I saw this nice zone. It gave me some really good market structure, right? It gave me some good market structure from where, you know, had a touch right here where it was up, then it went down, right? So up, down, okay? So we got multiple touches. You know, you got a double top, you got the double bottom, you got multiple touches all throughout here. So at some point, you know, it's going to break out. So typically when people are looking at double tops and double bottoms, they'll say, oh, one touch up, two touches to the high side. Now it's time to get in for a sell. Or if it was a double bottom, one touch here, now it's time to get in for a buy. But I don't operate off of that. I'm looking for a break and retest. But having the multiple touches back and forth for me is just confirming for me this is a very strong consolidation zone. This is a very good area of market structure. I have a resistance or the ceiling here and supporting the floor here, okay? And I was prepared to take it either way. So what did it do? It went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, broke out of this area, retested in this area, and then went up, okay? So this is where I got in this trade earlier this morning, and I took this trade and I won this trade for, it went up for about 44 pips. I got my, I placed 2 orders, so I got a total of 60 pips. I twin traded this, placed 2 orders on it, and got my 60 pips and dip. So you may be seeing it right here, showing you guys, you know, the trade I took, and that's what I took on EJ, okay? So that's what I took on EJ. So now I'm out of this trade, but what's happening with EJ next? So right now, guys, we're at a time of the day where I'm doing this video. It's 2:41 Central Standard Time, and it's this is the time right now where there's not going to be as much volatility in the market because we're at the in the New York session and going into I believe it's the Asian session. So typically this is a slow time in the market. So you're probably going to get a little bit of consolidation back and forth, and then this will start making a move later on. So you see it tried to push up here a couple times. Now it's dropped down, but now you're starting to get some wick rejection off of these sell candles and looking like it wants to go back up. So this is on the 1 hour. So if we go to the 4 hour, if you look at it right here, right? So was it 12 o'clock? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a new 4 hour candle will open up at 4 p.m. in a couple hours, right? When the market resets. But if you look right here, this is a very strong buy candle. Right now, this is still indicative of, in my opinion, that this is going to continue up. Just based off of this, the trend is absolutely still an uptrend. Even look on the 4 hour, this is still a complete uptrend, okay? So for a reversal, it has to break several key levels. The first level being that level I had marked up earlier. If it breaks that level, if it breaks this level right here, then, is it going to be a true downtrend? Not necessarily, because guess what? If it breaks this level, it'll come down here. It can come back. It can come back and bounce off this level again and continue up, right? Or there's multiple things it can do. It can come back, bounce off this level, continue up, or it can just continue to consolidate, then break out and continue up from here. Or it can come to this level, break this level, right? If it breaks this level, excuse me, then it's gonna, if it breaks this level and retests, then it'll drop down for another about 80 pips right here, okay? And then from there, if it breaks that level, there's gonna be another key level here, more key levels to go through, because this has been bullish, right, since December 17th. So we'll see what's gonna happen. But that's my analysis. That's my take on EJ right now. There is nothing to do on EJ based on, obviously my trading analysis. Even if I went in, and just looked at it and threw some fibs on here really quickly, which if I use anything as Fibonacci retracement, I'll use from time to time. Just looking at this here. You can take it from different key levels. So if I went from here to here, you can see right here. Now, if you do it based off of this, it is now bouncing. This is where you're getting this rejection here off of what, a key level, that's 61.8 level. So it may reject here and then continue up. Now, if you look where the 38.2 level is at. It's at the area where I bought at. So when you look at key levels being 61.8, I'm not a huge fib expert, but I just know the key levels, right? 61.8, 50% level, and the 38.2. So if you look where it's at, it's bouncing off of 61.8. But if you look right here, it's bouncing off of 38.2, right? At the level where I got in on the trade at. So that's what's going on with that. So overall, I think it's still going to be still moving into excuse me, it's still a bullish movement overall for EJ. All right, so that's what I have, guys. Listen, I hope you all found value in this video. I do these videos every Wednesday, guys. Do an analysis, do a breakdown on a specific pair. You can go back and look at my channel, guys, and go ahead, and I got some prior videos that I've did. You'll see the other analysis videos that I did. But guys, if you want to see more of my content, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. Excuse me, hit the bell notification to be notified when I drop new content. And if you did like this video, hit the like button for me. And also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. So I really appreciate you all hopping on here. Once again, hope you guys have value, guys. Listen, if you want to learn more about trading, simply go to tradewithed.com for information, guys. If you want to learn Forex, indices, and or cryptocurrency trading, investing, and more, guys, get access to live education, training, mentorship, and tools to help you in the market, guys. So if it's intriguing to you, everything I've learned has been on this platform, you're more than welcome to check it out. But anyway, hope you got value. Appreciate you hopping on here once again. I will talk to you guys later. Tradewithed.com. Go check it out. Take care. Have a good day.